get your analytics and understand how it works, I'm going to be using this account to show you some things. Now this is the video of this account. You know, the other accounts we've not really done anything on it, there's no video on it, so I'm going to be using this video to show you. So let's say this is a video you can click on analytics if it is your page. You only have authority to videos you posted yourself from your YouTube page, YouTube channel. You click on analytics, just like you check analytics on Facebook, Instagram. That's the same way. So it shows you the analytic of the particular video you clicked on. This is showing that this video in the last 0, 2, 4, 5, 6 days till 12 days, it was going like this, and this is the peak of it. Wednesday, November 8th, people were watching and we got 58, then 60, 61, 62, 64, yes, 65. This is the peak of it. 12. So on day 12 we got 65 views, and it's stuck in 65 views. This is day 16, and no analytics for 8 years, right? So watch time hours, you see the video is stuck in between, in the middle, so it shows that people have stopped watching it. It's not getting as much view as it's supposed to watch. Subscribers is saying it has not brought any new subscribers in recent times. It has not. So now look at this. This video was performing well. Typical retention available. This video is saying from here it's dropping down like this, from 0 to 100. You can rate it this way. So key moments for audience retention: from 0% it went like this. So you want to check audience retention. Means that the people that watched it, what are the moments where they really stuck through with it, right? From 100% it was going like this, 17, 16, 18. So at this period of the video, 19% continue watching, 17, 19, like this, go down. So see more, then we can see it clearly from here, right? So but the better way you can check all your analytics is by going back to this place, which is the YouTube content, channel content, all our videos that we have here. The only thing I need to do is to click on a particular video and check, and I can go through analytics. Got 1,444 views in the last 28 days. So this is the view, total number of views, 1,444. This is the watch time. People spend 24 hours on this, 66% less than previous 28 days, which means that the channel is not doing well with the past 28 days. 66% less than the previous 28 days, 72% less than the last 28 days of subscribers that we got, plus 8. So which means that in the last 28 days we got more, right? So look at this, let's check this. Thursday, October 19, the videos people watched. Then Sunday, October 22, how people watched. Actually, you see it was going down, going up like that. So the peak is 111 views of how our video performed, how I became successful bride. So you will see 2 videos published, how we posted 2 videos published, like that, how we were working on the videos, right? Your top content in this period is, these are our top content at the period of 28 days. See the views, you get to see the ones that are performing well in your videos, right? So that's how you check your analytics, and you have to check each video to know. Content. That's the former one I showed you was the overview that showed you what happened in your page, how you did. But this is per content. From here, this view shows channel views compared with the previous period, which is 28-day period. Over time, this can help you spot high performing videos, capture high performing videos, anticipate seasonal changes, and determine when to upload new videos. This includes public, private, unlisted, and deleted videos. Right? So this impression says how many times your video thumbnail were shown to viewers. How many times your video thumbnails were shown to viewers. Includes only impressions on YouTube, not on external sites or apps. So this is impression click-through rate. Views per impression shown. This measures how often viewers watch the video after seeing an impression. So which means that the click-through rate means how many times people are able to see and click on it, continue watching and not stop. Right? Impressions click-through rate. So what usually make people to click is when they see that your thumbnail is beautiful. When you see a YouTube video, your thumbnail, your video title, all of those optimization makes it attractive. Just like when you are going on the street and you see many shops, the one with the most colors, the one that is more beautiful is where you would want to enter, that has more packaging. So if you are entering let's say a particular YouTube channel, or you are searching for something online, the better thumbnail, even though it contains nonsense, first of all you will want to click on it first. So click through rate, yes. And audience retention means after they have clicked, how many percent of the people were watching it. Average view duration, estimated average minutes watched per view for the selected content, date range, region, and other factors. So average view duration. So like overall, how many minutes did people spend on your channel? Average view is like 1 minute. That's what it's saying here. So let's check what is happening here. So from this period, we published this. So this is basically like more of the videos we published. Key moments for audience retention. So this video got more audience retention. You see 59% audience retention. New reviews reason for its breakup with V. You see the title. So these are the things you now check to ask yourself, why did people watch this over 59%? Like 59% of the video people watched it. 59%, which is more than half. And your video audience retention should really make sense for people to watch. Average percentage viewed 25%. Views 1000 plus views. So why did people view? You check the thumbnail, you check the video. So that is it. So then you go down, you see other ones. So these are below typical intros. These are below. So anything over 50 makes sense. Even over 30, that is below typical intros. So say this video, typical retention, this video, it says similar to typical retention, 100%, and like this. So if it goes down, it's poor. If it goes up, it's high. 0% to 100%. So this one shows you how viewers find your videos. Browse features. People browse for your video, they search for it. This is it. Browse features. People are looking around, they see your video. 43%. External, maybe from WhatsApp, maybe they share it. This is it. 27%. Channel pages from other people's channel, they recommend. YouTube search, if someone is searching for a particular news, they find it. Suggested video, they suggest it from possibly the videos you have done before or from other people. Others that we are not clear about, 91, maybe from Google or something like that. So these are the top performing videos that work for us. So that is basically how you check your analytics, and it's good to even employ the service of a professional to help you check your analytics to see how you are doing. For me personally, I still employ one of my bosses to check my analytics to see what I need to work on, what I need to do, and stuff like that. So hope you enjoyed this video. We are going to be talking more of how to do better, how to create YouTube videos, faceless, with your face in front of the camera, and the kind of videos you can do as a YouTuber, and how you can monetize your videos in the part 2 of this kind of content. Thank you.